I'm sort of excited. Are you ready? So this is what we got, right? So these are obviously to finish. I've talked about this, but I've stuck a hook here and I've stuck a hook here down there, which means I can then hang the pieces. So what's gonna happen is this whole wall here is gonna become a painting wall, so you can say goodbye to nice blue color because this is just gonna be sprayed completely. Got the lights in, got the light up above. I was gonna put like floral arrangements up there, but that's maybe not necessary. We mounted pieces, so we got Elvis mounted there. Now what's gonna happen with that is I'm gonna have to have sheets and cover that as a spray here, because that's not gonna work. That frame is such a class frame as well. High gloss Sheldon, nice one. Stuck a biggie up there. Marilyn isn't staying there. That whiteboard might have to go, but behind me, we've got like the portrait display wall. So this will be the, if I'm taking photos, you'll see it full size on this. Wow, absolutely